How do you generate enough power for millions of people when you only have a tiny amount of land to work with? It's a problem Singapore is very familiar with, and now an innovative new technology aims to find a solution. A huge bed of solar panels floating in the water. Just this test bed will generate enough energy for 250 households without using up any land space.
We are indeed very, very pleased to see this world's largest floating PV testbed being executed in Singapore. Singapore, as you know, is a land-scarce country, and this gives us another avenue besides our rooftops to also produce solar electricity.
The solar platforms are designed to be naturally cooled by the water beneath, which increases the efficiency of the panels by more than 10% compared to those on land. Meanwhile, the panels help prevent water evaporation. That's something that can be a problem in hot countries like Singapore. The installation depends on critical power inverters, including those supplied by ABB, which convert the direct current gathered into alternating current that can be used by the power grid.
5 years ago, this floating PV barely existed, actually. We see this as being a very big growth area for land-constrained areas, microgrids, island systems. Maybe there's some high-value farmland that you don't want to disrupt with the PV. So we really see this as a big growth area.
It's a system that could potentially have a huge impact in terms of solar implementation worldwide. Because especially in a place where it's land scarce like Singapore and other islands in the Pacific Oceans, for example, the same system can actually be implemented on the water bodies such as lakes, seas and reservoirs.
This 1 megawatt test bed is the largest ever assembled on water, and many could be keeping an eye on how well it performs. As countries around the world assess the potential impact of climate change and booming populations, engineers say this technology could be part of the solution for a world going through an energy revolution.